dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. My name is MakeupbyJayTee. If you do not know me, that's my name, but you can call me JT. And if you do, what's up, boo? Thank you for coming back. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you can see when I upload. So today I got this cobalt blue eyeshadow look for you guys. I already told y'all, this new year we're bringing the heat. We are bringing the heat. There's really nothing much to say about this other than just continue to watch if you like to see how I got it. The hair that I'm rocking in this tutorial is from Lolashair, and it's the super curly. I got it in the length 18, 16 and 14 and a 12-inch frontal, and then I colored the kind of like the top part of it. I think it's mostly the frontal that I colored. I'm going to leave her website down below. I'm going to leave her Instagram down below if you guys are interested. I think I did mention the lip that I used for the lippy. I mixed ABH liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood and Lashes by Lena liquid lipstick in Aziz. My camera is acting funny. If I sound like I'm rushing, I just don't want it to die on me, and I gotta get out of this house. I'm almost late. Boys, shh. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'm going to start the look by moisturizing my lip because yeah, my lip is going through it. Then gonna prep my eyes for eyeshadow by using ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 55. Just gonna place that all over my lid. Then I'll blend it out and then set it with some setting powder. I'm going to be taking my Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start by taking Nutmeg. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Tangerine. Now I'm going to be taking Rose Gold, using a much more detailed crease brush. Now I'm going to be taking a more dense crease brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Cinnamon. To have some more definition, I'm going to be taking Neroli, which is a matte black. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. I'm just going to tap that right on my lid. Then for lid color, I'm going to be taking Juniper. To line my waterline, I'm going to be taking this Marc Jacobs crayon pencil thingy, and it's in the shade Out of the Blue. For foundation today, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and the shade I use is NC50. And this is the end of the tutorial. Boys, shh. I really love when I can create a look using just one palette. I use the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette for the entire look except for the glitter. For more info on the glitter, I'm going to leave an annotation up on this video so you guys can see where I got it from. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
I love your face, you love the taste, that sugar babe, it melts away.